Tired of boring product videos that fail to connect with your audience? Imagine if your product could speak, move, and present itself, just like a human. That's exactly the problem today's tool solves. Introducing Topview AI, and more specifically, its incredible feature, Product Avatar. This game-changing AI tool transforms any product into a lifelike avatar that talks, gestures, and sells just like a real person. No need for models, studios, or green screens. Just upload your product, pick an avatar, and let the AI do the magic in 20+ languages with auto-dubbing and captions. It's fast, scalable, and seriously, wow. Want to try it for yourself? The link to topview.ai is waiting for you right below in the description. Okay, right now on the screen, you're looking at the homepage interface of Topview AI. And to register an account, just click the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of your screen. There are 3 ways to create an account. First, you can sign up using your Google account. Second, you can use your Apple account. And third, you can sign up using your email address. For convenience, I'll go ahead and register with my Google account. And after registering, you'll be redirected to the main interface of the software, as you can see over here. Once you've created your account, the system will immediately credit you with 10 points. If you want to use more features, simply click Upgrade. Now, within Topview AI, there are tons of amazing features. In the first video, I showed you how to turn a simple link into a product introduction video. But in this video, I'll introduce you to a different, very unique feature of this software, a feature that lets you generate a virtual character who can hold and present your product, and even review it based on the script you provide. This feature is called Product Avatar. To access it, click on Product Avatar right here. As you can see, there are a lot of virtual characters and models available. This is the software's built-in model library, and it comes with filters, depending on the type of product you want to promote. There's a wide variety to choose from. Models for sofas, sports gear, electric bikes, and more. You can pick from different perspectives, full body, medium shot, close-up, all tailored for different types of products. Now, I'll just go ahead and pick a random character. I'll go with this one. The first step after choosing your character is to create an image of them holding the product. Here, you can upload your product image directly. Or, since I already have some demo products provided by the software, I'll use one of those. Now, under manual mode, you can manually adjust the product's size and position. For example, I'll place the product here, on the left side, and scale it down to match its actual size. I want the character to hold the product exactly here while they review it. Next, there's the Swap Face feature. This allows you to upload your own face, or any face you want the character to have. That's feature number 2. Now there's also Auto Mode. This one automatically adjusts the product's size and placement to match the character. All you need to do is pick the product, and the software handles the rest. Also, in this mode, if you click on More Options, you'll be able to enter a short description of how you want the character to interact with your product. Okay, so for now, I'll use Auto Mode. The first real step to generating a video is to first create an image of the character holding the product. To do that, click Generate. This will cost 1 credit. Click to create. Okay, the character has been successfully generated. You'll see the software has now created an image of the character holding our product. Now to the next step. Let's generate a sample video based on this image. Click Create Avatar. In this section, you'll find 3 options. Avatar 1 Lite costs 2.5 credits. Avatar 1 Pro costs 5 credits. Avatar 2, available for paid users only. With Avatar 2, each second of video costs 0.5 credits. Since I'm using a free account for demo purposes, I'll choose Avatar 1 Lite, the simplest and most credit-efficient version. Next, let's choose the voice for the character. In this section, you can filter by language, gender, age group, speaking style, accent. I'll just use the software's default voice for now. Now, to generate the video using the character image, just click Create a Video Avatar. This version costs 2.5 credits. All right, the software has created a video with our character holding the product. You can click here to watch your character. You'll notice the system is still processing the lip sync, which means the character's mouth will move exactly according to the script we provide. Give it a moment.
I'm a product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image.
And done! The software has now generated a video of our character, holding the product, and ready to speak. If you're happy with this character video, we can move on to the next step. Just click Use My Script. On this screen, you'll see some default characters below, but what we want is the character we just created, who's holding our product and ready to review it. So we select that character. Then, to input the script you want them to say, simply paste it into the text box on the right. I've already prepared a short sample script here. I'll just paste it in. If you already have a pre-recorded voiceover, you can also upload it here, but in this case, I'll stick with the text-to-speech feature. There's another useful feature. You can even add subtitles to your video. There are lots of subtitle styles to choose from. I'll just pick one at random here. Click Confirm, then hit Generate to start the video creation process. This will cost 3 credits. The exact cost depends on your script length. The more characters in your script, the more credits it will use. Click Generate. You can also rename your video here and choose the resolution. The default is 720p. If you want a higher resolution, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. Below, you'll see the watermark option. With the free plan, the software will automatically place a watermark on your video. If you want to remove it, you'll need to upgrade. I'll keep the watermark for now since we're using the free version. Click Export to create your final video. Wait a bit while the software finishes processing. Okay, your video is ready. You can now preview the final video of your character.
I've been using this skin whitening cream for about a month now, and I'm genuinely impressed with the results. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly. The product also has a pleasant...
All right, we've successfully created a complete video with a virtual character holding a product and delivering your script. If you find this feature impressive, consider upgrading to unlock advanced options. Like I mentioned earlier, the Avatar 2 version includes body language and ultra-realistic lip sync. It makes your character look incredibly lifelike and full of energy, perfect for more engaging videos. To recreate or modify your avatar, simply return to Product Avatar. You'll see the character you just created on the right. To create a new one, click the 3 dots and select Regenerate. As you saw earlier, we used Avatar 1 Lite, the most basic version. But the higher the version you choose, the more realistic and interactive your character becomes. At the top level, Avatar 2, the realism is astonishing. Let me play a quick sample for you.
Filed for divorce, but this little bastard right here, this fan hat, this fucking hero right here, he's the reason I haven't filed for divorce. But this little bastard right here, this fan hat.
See? With Avatar 2, the mouth movements are very precise. And the character even uses body gestures, making it look and feel just like a real person. If that's something you need, definitely consider upgrading. Loved what you saw? Want to skip the hassle of product shoots forever and expand globally with ease? The link to Topview.ai is waiting for you down in the description. Go check it out and start creating your own AI product avatar today. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next one.